Whether you want to improve your overall health or simply slim down, burning excess fat can be difficult. Fortunately, there are several simple steps you can take to quickly and easily increase fat burning. Excessive body fat loss as a result of restrictive diet or overexercising can be harmful to your hormones and mental health, as well as cause weight gain to rebound. Here are ways to burn fat without restrictive diet and painful training. Boost your cooking skills. Eat more protein. Get more rest. Eat more fiber. Increase your cardio. Drink coffee. There are plenty of ways to lose weight without restrictive diet or excessive or painful exercise. The above tips are a great way to start making positive lifestyle changes. Check out link in the description below for more information. Comment, subscribe, like and share on my YouTube channel for more videos.